My name is Vicki Curtis, and I'm interested in the Residence 160 floor plan. About 2.5 years ago, we sold our home in the Santa Cruz area, and we came out to this area because I have a son that lives fairly close to here and grandchildren. We looked at Tesoro Viejo, which I really loved, but at the time, there just wasn't a home that would suit our needs. I love the Access Coffee Bar. The environment there is just so pleasant to sit outside, have a cup of coffee, grab a bite to eat. And the pool being year-round. The pool where we live now closes down in the winter, and I'm a person that loves to swim every day year-round. So I miss it very much, and I know the pool here is heated and open year-round, so that I look forward to. So I need a single story, very important for me. We wanted to downsize a little bit. Our master bathroom is really small, so I'd like a nicer master bathroom. And as I said before, I really liked Tesoro Viejo. When we first came out, we just couldn't find anything. We currently have a very small shower, and you kind of feel like you're almost in a closet trying to take a shower. And once I walked into the master bathroom of the Residence 160, I could tell that was what I was looking for. I like the layout. It looks like it's very easy to move from one living area to the other, the kitchen to the great room to the dining room. So I like that flow of traffic. We've been through a few communities here, and basically you walk in and they hand you a brochure and send you on your way. But Eric walked us through, he explained things, he answered questions. He was able to give us exact figures on what extra things might cost. I felt like he really cared about listening to us and finding out what we need, rather than just handing me a piece of paper and wishing me good luck. I could see myself getting up in the morning, walking down to the coffee shop, having a coffee, coming back home, going swimming, taking my dogs on the trails, just being out in the country. It's less congested here. It's a really nice environment.